Hello guys. So as promised, today I will be doing a tutorial on custom keyboard. So what you want to do first is go to Play Store if you have one, maybe on App Store. Then search up Facemoji keyboard. I already have it installed. And so somewhere you should find this. Yep, this one. So after the installation, you'll have to. What will you have to? You'll have to. Like, allow it to be your keyboard. Then you can go for the permissions. Basically, when you enter, you'll have to do two tasks. First is allow the keyboard to be selected, and the second will bring you into the app itself. So you can customize keyboard by your own self, or just download like a different custom keyboard. I already have an account. These are my downloaded themes. Bro, what the fuck is going on out of here? Anyways, sorry about that. The cars on my street going crazy. So, already made two customized themes. The one that I showed you and the one I made to post it. So yeah, you can actually just download themes, but I'm gonna show you how to customize your own keyboard. So first click create. This will bring you to your gallery and you'll have to select the background of your keyboard. For example, I will choose Tom and Santa with I show eyes eyeballs. Yeah, that's good. So then you'll have to like customize the keyboard. Customize it however you want. For example, I will choose this. Then you can go to keys and select the form of keys. Okay, now that you're done with the keys, you can go to lenses, I guess. And make the background a bit brighter. Then go to font. Choose the font you want. I already have this one installed. But if you want a different font, then I guess you can just download any of them. Don't worry, you don't have to pay money. As for the swipe, click anything. For example, I'll choose the Minecraft themed swipe. What? Or maybe diamonds? Okay, I'm gonna count my fingers. So we'll go as a swipe function. Minecraft diamond, Minecraft diamond, Minecraft diamond, Minecraft diamond, Minecraft diamond. Okay, so now that you chose your swipe properly, you can go to effects. For example, I'll choose this one. You can also turn on the bell so you can listen to the sounds of the keyboard. Yeah, you can also customize the sounds of the keyboard. You can choose this keyboard sound, apple cutting sound, the cat sound, cookie sound, piano sound, any sound you want. This is fucking satisfying. You can also adjust the volume. And here you go. You just customized your own keyboard. Then you can try your new keyboard. Yep, that's how you are. And yeah, basically you're done making your own keyboard. But also do not worry, you can still switch to any keyboard you want. So this is how to do so. First, go to any search bar or messenger, and so you'll have this little keyboard icon over there. Click on it and then you can change on any keyboard you're using. Yandex keyboard or Gboard, whatever you're using. Well, that's all for today. Bye.